Assalamu alaikum. My beloved students of class 5, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is Makhraj from chapter 4, lecture number 3, HW number 3. My beloved students, this is your vacation homework type of lessons. I mean from the next weeks you are getting the vacation, Eid vacation, Eidul Adha vacation. So you have to continue your study. That's why we are providing you some homework or some lessons. Already I discussed about these lessons, chapter 4 about the Makhraj, but I am providing you selected some Makhrajes which is very important for you, and you will do these Makhrajes, you will learn these Makhrajes in the vacation and you will do it as the homework. Okay, let's start. Students, look attention here. This is the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 Makhrajes I am providing you for learning in the vacation, and this side, in the right side, the serial number 4, this is the Makhraj number 9, serial number 5, this is Makhraj number 10, serial number 6, Makhraj number 15, and serial number 7, Makhraj number 17. And 1, 2, 3, this is same as your in your book, Makhraj number 1, 2, 3, and in serial also same. So Eid vacation homework lesson, this is Makhrajes, you will get in your book page number 96 and 97. First Makhraj is Hamza Ha, these two letters are pronounced from the first part of the larynx. Then Ain Ha, this is the middle part of the larynx utter. Then Makhraj number 3, Goin and Kha, these two letters pronounced from the upper last part of the larynx. And in the serial number 4, this is the Makhraj number 9, but letter is Noon. So where from this Noon pronounced? Noon, front of the tongue touches the palate to pronounce this letter. And then number 5 serial, Makhraj number 10, Ra, when the back of the tongue touches the upper jaw, this letter is pronounced. And Makhraj number, this is the serial number 6, Makhraj number 15, Waw, Ba and Mim. These 3 letters are pronounced from 2 lips. And last number, serial Makhraj, serial number 7, Makhraj number 17, Mim and Nun, nasal letters. These Gunna sounds comes from the base of the nose. My dear students, I told you there is the difference Makhrajes for the Nun and Mim. After that, 17 number Makhraj, there are 2 letters Mim and Nun. Why 2 times came here? I told you in the previous YouTube class and also in the live class, when these 2 letters will get the tashdid, then these 2 letters pronounced by the nose. For example, inna, lamma, amma. Then when you will utter these words like that, then it will come the sounds from the nose. That's why this is the nasal letters. Now keep attention to the HW. HW number 3, Makhraj number 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 15 and 17. So total is 7 Makhrajes you will do as the vacation homework. I hope you understood. That's all for today, my dear students. Keep practicing at home and do your HW in the vacation and submit it after finishing the vacation. And to abide by your parents, keep performing the 5 times prayer. Be safe. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.